Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to do this type of makeup for an everyday makeup look. And this makeup is really easy to do and anyone can do this type of makeup even they don't know anything about the makeup. Yes, if you're really new to makeup, then you can also do this type of makeup that can make you look stunning, pretty and beautiful every single day. So let's get started. The everyday makeup look or any kind of makeup look, you cannot skip your skincare. There's definitely no way that we can skip our skincare and do our makeup, and if we do that, it's going to turn our makeup horrible. My makeup looks gray, it turns really matte, not matte, dry, and it kind of gets patchy. So I always try to do my skincare. You need to do your skincare if you are doing your makeup. It's non-negotiable, and for that I'm using this moisturizer. Then I'm going to apply a sunscreen, because in the everyday makeup look you need to apply, because you are going to wear that makeup all day long, and for that you need a sunscreen on your skin. And I have a dry skin, so I'm doing my skincare according to that. And after doing my skincare, I'm going to apply a lip balm, because when we apply a lip balm before the makeup, it makes our lip really hydrated when we go for the lip liner. I have a lot of pigmentation and redness. I cannot skip color correction step. It's really necessary for me, and if you have the same thing like I do the color correction, because in the everyday makeup we usually wear that makeup all day long, and it's very possible that if you don't do the color correction, your base is going to turn gray. If you have a same problem, you cannot escape from this. I'm going to use my usual color corrector, which is from ELF, and I'm going to use it wherever I have the darkness, but not too much. And I am applying it directly on my skin. If you are really new to makeup, don't apply it directly on your skin. First apply it on the back of your hand, because you can make a mistake that can turn your makeup really orange. So don't do that if you are really new to makeup. Then I'm taking this small brush and I'm going to blend it. As you can see, I've not applied it too much because there's no need. And if I do, my base is going to turn orange. So don't do that. So it really matters how much product you are using on your skin for the makeup. I'm not going to do the color correction on my eyelids because there's no need to do that. If you don't have any kind of redness or pigmentation on your face, you can directly go for the concealer or for the foundation. I can say you are the lucky one, because I'm not, and that's really good. There's no need for you to do the color correction, which is a really time-consuming process if you are really new to makeup. I have a lot of redness and breakouts on my skin, so I'm going to use a green color corrector. I've noticed something, that this area doesn't have a lot of breakouts, but this one or this side have a lot of breakouts and pimple. And the reason I have that is because I sleep this side and I can't help it. After doing the color correction, now I'm going to apply a setting spray. You also need to do this step before the concealer or the foundation. I have a dry skin, so I'm going to spray it a lot. When you have a dry skin, it's really important for you to have a setting spray and to use it every single time when you do your makeup. It helps you a lot by keeping the makeup dewy and glossy. Now I'm going to let it dry for some time. Now I'm going to use a concealer. I'm not going to use a foundation, because I think in an everyday makeup, the base needs to be not that high coverage. So I don't go for a really high coverage foundation. I'm just going to use this L'Oreal concealer, which is the same shade of my skin tone. And I'm going to apply it only in that area where I've done the color correction, so that my skin can look even. You can also use the foundation. It depends upon your choice, but I don't do it. And in this area, but not too much. And here as well. Now taking this big brush to blend my concealer, because it helps a lot when you have a really big brush for blending your base makeup. And it's going to save you a lot of time. So you can go for this one. You can see for me, there's no need for a foundation. Now for the under eyes brightening, I'm going to use this Milani concealer. This is the shade which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And I'm going to apply it here, because it's a really high coverage concealer and there's no need to apply it too much. And also here, so that I can have a lifted face, and here. I can also go for this area. I'm going to blend it with this blending brush. And I'm going to blend it by dabbing this brush It has given me a really nice coverage. Even I've not applied this concealer too much. Always blend your concealer the same way you have applied it. Like if I have applied the concealer like this, then I'm going to blend it like this. It helps a lot to give that specific type of lift or highlight if you want. And I'm going to blend it here as well. And always look up when you are blending your concealer, and also blend your concealer here, the inner lids. Again, I'm going to use a setting spray because I'm feeling a kind of matte. It completely depends upon your preference and choice, how many times you want to apply the setting spray while doing your makeup. I'm going to take this loose powder, which is the same shade of my skin tone. It's from Maybelline, which is in the shade light medium. I'll be taking this powder puff to dab it in this loose powder. I'm going to blend it and set my under eyes so that they doesn't look oily or have any kind of crease. And also I'm going to apply it on the eyelids, and you can see my under eyes. Use this loose powder in whatever area you think you creases the most or get oil the most. I'm going to do my eyebrows. As I've said this earlier, my face doesn't look good if I do my eyebrows really sharp, so I'm not going to do it. Whatever is your brow routine, you can do that. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. brow pencil to do my eyebrows. And first I'm going to brush it so that I can get the idea where I have to fill my eyebrows. And I'm going to soft this tail. Then I'll be filling the area wherever there is a need. And I'm going to brush it again so that it can soft any harsh line. That's it. That's how I do my brow. The eye makeup, there is no need to do something really extra or heavy. You can do a really soft eye makeup, and for that take any of your favorite pink, brown or orange kind of a shade. I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to apply it on the outer corner and blend it upwards really softly. I'm going to blend this inwards till the center of my lid and also upwards, but not too much. And apply the same shade in the lower lash line as well. Then take a glitter shade and apply it in the center of your lid, and you can apply it above the crease line, also in the inner corners. Take a beige or white shade and apply that shade in the inner lid till the center of your lid. This is going to make your eyes look really clean and minimal. I'm going to apply it on the brow bone as well. You can see it's giving effortless and minimal. The eye makeup is done. Then curl your lashes, or you can directly go for the mascara. Then apply your favorite mascara. I'm using this from Makeup Revolution. I'm also going to apply it in the lower lashes. This mascara is giving my lashes really subtle look, and I'm kind of really liking that, as this looks perfect for an everyday makeup. I'll be taking a powder bronzer which is from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to apply it on the forehead, as in summer bronzer looks really good. And I'm also going to apply it on my cheekbone, and I'll be blending it upwards to apply this bronzer on the nose, as the summer's here, so we need to look warm. And now there's no need for the contour on the nose. I'm just gonna leave it here. Now the makeup is looking kind of dry or matte. Again, I'm going to use a setting spray. You can skip this step if you are not feeling to do that. I'm going to apply it, but not too much. That's all what I wanted for the glow. I'm going to take a really cool tone or vibrant kind of a blush shade. I'm using this from Dream Beauty. I'm going to apply it over the bronzer. It's your choice and preference how much blush you want to have on your face. I really like to do it minimal, so I'm not going to over apply it. On the other side as well, and on the nose as well. And now for the lips, I'm going to use this nude pink shade. You can see as I've applied the lip balm earlier before the makeup, it's helping me to line my lips really nicely. You can see. In the end, I'm going to use a pressed powder under the eyes so that my makeup can look more airbrushed and clean. And if you like this video and this makeup look, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.